Do you ever feel like you don't deserve good things? And I don't mean expensive, but just something special for yourself, like a nice shirt that's full price and not on sale, or going out to your favorite restaurant, or even spending time with friends. That is a common theme that I see with my clients. And when we dive into it, we trace it back to not feeling good enough. Now, I want you to reflect. Where do you think that feeling came from? For some, it starts with the family of origin, where you felt like you were never prioritized and therefore you never felt good enough. And then when we go into these narcissistic abusive relationships, it's exacerbated, it's compounded, because no matter what you do, it's never good enough. And so you don't feel like you deserve these good things because that has been ingrained into you. You are not enough, you are not good enough, and you don't deserve to be celebrated, acknowledged, or rewarded for just being yourself. It always came with a condition of performance on your part. That people-pleasing part of you that feels like you have to do something to earn something good for yourself. And I'm here to tell you, you don't. I know it's easy for me to say, but that is a pattern that we can unlearn because you are worthy of all of the good things for just being yourself. So I want you to reflect. When was the last time you got something or did something nice for yourself? Let me know in the comments below.